In this video, I'll show you how to filter data in Excel where you have one spreadsheet and you want to see only specific rows. And I show you this, it's very easy, it's really quick, you can do this and you can use multiple columns to combine filters so you see only the data that you want to see in this moment. Let's check it. Let's open the Excel file. I want to show you how you can filter data, and I have this simple Excel file where row ID, even this one I could delete it, actually I don't need row ID, and I have progress, amount 1 and amount 2. These are just some numbers there, and to filter the data, I select the whole table, the whole worksheet. I have two worksheets here. I select this whole Excel worksheet and then I select the whole Excel sheet and I click in the corner here to do that, but I could select the columns like this, it's the same thing. But usually in the corner here it's the easiest. And then I go to the top data, click on data here. That was nice, that was interesting. You click on data here and then after that there is the option filter and sort. With the sort you can sort the data, but this is not our subject, our topic now. I click on filter and now what happened? Nothing happened, you think, but it's actually something did happen. You see these little arrows here on the top. I have the headers now of the table with the arrows. So I can click on this arrow and see I can select only some values from here. So for example, if I have let's say I have these two, they are 10%, both of them. These are formulas here, that's why they updated. So let's say task 7 and task 1, they are both 10%. I want to see only the 10% rows. So deselect everything and then select only 10%. And then you see 10%. As you see the row ID, the number is 128. It means that the data is filtered here. And if I want to unfilter, if I want to remove the filter, I can go again on this top. You see it's selected, it has this highlight color. I click on it and the whole filtering is gone. I click on it again, the option to filter comes back and I can select only 55 and 770, let's say for example. And I can combine the filters. Let's say here I can select a few more and you see the column which has a filter on it has this little shape like a funnel. The column that with an active filter, it has this funnel shape there, so you know that it's an active filtering. And then I can combine filters. I can put a filter on amount 1 and then I can put also a filter on progress, for example. Deselect everything and I want to see only the 5% and 70%. And here, these are the options available. So now I have two filters. So now I have the 5% and 70%, and this filter was removed because I had more. The previous filter, I don't know what happened, it didn't work. So let's put another filter by 5% and amount 55. So now you see there are two filters here. And I can choose the other option. And because it's like filtering it's reducing the data set for this. So this is how you filter. You remove the whole filtering from the top. These changes are not permanent. Your Excel sheet is the same. It didn't change. This is just a visual change, not actual change in the data of the Excel file. So I can copy tasks 6 and 7 into a new worksheet. And I just did now. So if you want to filter some data, copy it somewhere else, this is a quick way to do it. Hope this helps you. It's that easy. Don't forget to save your documents. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comment section below if this video helps you and how. And if you want to see more videos in the future, which kind of videos you would like to find out about. Make a video request and I might just do it for you. Give the video a like, tell your friends about the channel and subscribe to watch more interesting videos like this one. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time. I did it. Bye.